Joshua Woodruff, roofer near me. I want to paint a scenario for y'all that's an actual scenario, except in this one I'm going to put them side by side. They're actually in the same neighborhood, but I've got one. So we'll call House A has a 15-year-old roof. House B has a 12-year-old roof. House B with a 12-year-old roof got a letter in the mail from their insurance company, and this happens regularly. It said, hey, we sent somebody out while they were in your area, and we looked at your roof, and we think it's time that you get a new roof. Not repair, you got to get a new roof. Now, I went and looked at this roof, and I'm like, man, this roof's got more than 5 years left in it for sure. And when you ask for a health report, they ask us if they've got 5 years left. Some of them will say 3. Anyway, this roof's got way more than 5 years left in it. And then House A, that's 15 years old, had something happen to it. They reported a claim, and they come out, and this roof's 15 years old, in bad shape. I mean, pretty bad shape. And they're saying, we'll give you $1,000 to repair it. Your deductible is $2,500, so we can't help you. $1,000? This roof's jacked. You just told the neighbors they got to replace their roof because it's 12 years old. It looks way better than this roof. But now you're telling me that this roof that you're responsible for replacing doesn't need to be replaced, that the homeowner needs to get it repaired. And I guarantee you that homeowner gets that thing repaired, next year they'll get a letter that says they got to replace it. I mean, this is y'all's insurance go. I tell my people all the time, and the reason they won't let you do this is because the housing market is as along with the car market create cash flow, right? For it creates debt, which you have to pay back with interest, and it creates this whole cash flow. Same reason D.R. Horton continues to build crap, and they can still build. They still have a license. Thousands of reports of fraudulent activity, and they still carry a home builder's license. I get 2 reports found investigated and found to be true. They'll kick me out anyway. But that mortgage and your insurance is a racket. And I tell my customers all the time, if you'll put the same amount of money that you pay to your insurance in an interest gaining account, you'll have more than enough to pay for your roof or to pay for your damages when something happens, and you won't have to fight with them. When something happens now, they deny you anyway. They're not going to cover it anyway, and you still got to pay out of pocket. Not only have you paid all that money, but now you still got to pay out of pocket. I don't know. We need to change something. Well, a lot actually, but with this insurance game, one roof, 12 years old, they send somebody out, says you got to replace it. 15-year-old roof with a lot of damage, says the homeowner doesn't have a deductible that'll cover the damage, so you're out of luck. And then next year you'll have to replace it out of your pocket.